Our mission is to create memorable sensory experiences. Our strength lies in a foundation built on unsurpassed service, joined with a focused, quality approach in all facets of operation. Flavorchem was founded in 1971 by Salvatore Sprovieri. The company originally operated out of a small building in Bellwood, Illinois, and initially focused on flavored syrups. Flavorchem moved to Downers Grove, Illinois in 1982, where we still reside today. Our Illinois location has expanded to a sprawling 215,000 square foot, 8-building campus. The opening of our West Coast operation in 1996 and our European operation in 2015 expanded our production and distribution. Both Flavorchem North American facilities are SQF Level 3 certified, and our European facility is ISO 9001 certified. Flavorchem has a strong history of growth due to our philosophy to not just meet, but exceed customers' expectations. Through continuous investments in our facilities, technology, and strategic partnerships, our customers include well-recognized leaders in the food and beverage world. Flavorchem offers a wide range of processing capabilities at our North American headquarters in Illinois and Flavorchem West in California, as well as our European facility in Karapes, Hungary, including dry blends, liquid flavors, including emulsions and extracts, botanical extracts, including coffee, vanilla, tea, and spices, powdered and liquid color blends and natural color systems, and custom distillation. Flavorchem also maintains a full-service flavor laboratory capable of flavor creation and duplication, as well as customized product development and testing. Our applications lab allows customers to work side by side with our flavorists on research and development to perfect your application. We also have spray drying capabilities at all locations and offer full-service packaging, warehousing, and distribution capabilities. In our continuing commitment to quality, Flavorchem has expanded and strengthened our quality control and regulatory departments, so you can be assured that any and all documentation you require is fulfilled accurately, efficiently, and always in a timely manner. We understand that time is essential in product development. Rest assured, Flavorchem has you covered. Flavorchem is on the leading edge of advancements in the industry. We maintain an active subscription to Mintel as just one of many resources for product development. Additionally, our management and sales staff are on top of industry press and publications and monitor the web and social media to innovate and develop ingredients to meet consumer trends. We share best practices, insight, and our resources to help you as our valued partner. Our technical knowledge and industry-leading expertise, combined with our commitment to quality, makes Flavorchem a manufacturer you can trust.